Alright, so this is our first blizzard. This is our first official blizzard in Reno. Look at that. We got a blizzard in Reno. Actually, we're in Sparks. But yeah, look at that. It's only like 7 o'clock at night, right?
Yeah, it's only 7.
And it's going to be this way all the way till like afternoon tomorrow. How you like your blizzard, Dylan? Yeah. The wind. That's what makes it cold, is the wind.
And the water is trying to go into my eyes.
Yeah, look at that. I've never driven in a blizzard before, and I just wanted to go and drive around. So, yeah. These studded tires, man, they perform really good. I mean, it's almost like the roads are just normal. I don't slip and slide at all. This is awesome. I'm on Pyramid Highway driving north in Sparks. And actually the snow is not as bad as you would think. I mean, it is snowing good, but it's not like a blizzard where I can't see. It's kind of fun, actually. Uh-oh, looks like there was a spin out or a crash or something. Sparks PD is out with a couple cars. Ooh, yep. Oh, they definitely crashed. Damn, look at that. Yeah, they crashed. There's like 3 cars. Woo! 3-car pileup. They were probably driving too fast. If you just slow down, you don't even need snow tires or studded tires. You don't need 4-wheel drive. Just slow down. Making a right on Hubble, heading south. Got my high beams on now. Ooh, look at this road. Not too many cars come out here at 10 o'clock at night. Vista. Let's do a little snow burnout. Woo-hoo, slip and slide. All right, so that's just a quick drive through the neighborhood during the big storm of 2021 in January in the Reno Tahoe area. Pretty cool.